Caution: make sure that before going to work, remove battery negative terminal for safety purposes and short circuits.
This is a new product for my car. It is a steering wheel audio controller. I'll show how to install it. Okay. Now we have a base model. So we don't have any audio controllers over here. This is only a display button which is used to shuffle the odometers. That's it, nothing else. So we are going to upgrade this to a top version audio controller. Okay, so we have this stereo. Hereby this is the product which I have bought from aftermarket, Innova Crysta audio controller with the odometer PC controller. There are two sides of switches, right and left. This is a odometer PC controller and this is a stereo controller. Okay, this is installation process is a bit easy. Plug and play coupler is given here, and this is a horn wire which is going to be plugged to steering wheel, and this is for a steering wheel assembly. Okay, and I'll show the installation process now. ಇದು Innova Crysta ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯೋ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನೀವು ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಓಡೋಮೀಟರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸ್ವಿಚಸ್, ಮತ್ತು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯೋ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್ ಸ್ವಿಚಸ್, ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಕಾಲ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸ್ವಿಚಸ್ ಇರೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಏನೋ ಟಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಕಪ್ಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇರಿಂಗ್ ವೀಲ್ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಕಪ್ಲರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇರಿಂಗ್ ವೀಲ್ ಏರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ನ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಕಪ್ಲರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೀಗ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪಾಪ್ ಅಪ್ ಅವರ್ ಏರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪಾಪ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ we have to unscrew those which is old one, removing the airbag. So hereby you can see the airbag couplers and the horn wires. So first we have to unplug those. It's so easy process. So for removing a horn switch coupler is, we have just one clip over here. Just press it, so it's easily plugging out. Okay, now just place the airbag in a safe place. I will place it in a front near PC. Now unscrew those screws which is clipped over here. I'll make it unscrew, and after unscrewing, slowly remove this coupler which is plug it to steering assembly. Slowly you have to plug it. It is also same process to plug out. Just press the clip and slowly plug out. So easy. And I'll remove the screw. Slowly try to remove. Okay, so guys, total trim is out now. You can see here only airbag is left over there. Okay, now you have to remove this silver trim, and you have to plug to this trim here. Okay, and I'll show the process. So guys, you can see this is a dummy trim. So we have to remove the silver chrome for installing to that steering controller. Okay, so we have to unscrew all these and slowly remove the screws from okay. All the screws are unscrewed, hope you can see here. So now we have to remove this silver chrome trim. Okay, first make it like this. Okay, make a separation, and later hope you can see the clip over here. Just tap it, automatically it will be pop out. See, so easy process. And do the same thing for one more trim also. Just tap it, it will automatically pop out. See, this is the easy method of removing the rims. Okay, now we have to install those trims which we have removed from dummy one. So now for this I'll show here. We have to fix, arrange all the puzzles correctly, and I'll show the process how to install. Okay. here there is a horn slot, which this is going to be inserted here. Okay, I'll show how to insert it. This is also an easy process. Just insert it to the steering wheel airbag assembly. Yeah, now it's perfectly inserted, but don't go to touch airbags and all. It may harm. Now the wiring is perfectly done. Just insert the airbag where you have removed it and insert it slowly. One more thing I'm gonna clear in this video is many Innova Crysta owner has doubtful decisions about whether base model Innova Crysta can be installed cruise controls. Yeah, obviously it can be installed. It is also a plug and play only. Hereby you can see the 4-pin slot. So we have to plug our coupler of cruise control to this port, and we can make sure that we can install the cruise control for our base model in our Crysta. Yeah, this is the screwing slot here that will be faced out here like this. Okay, so now it's clear for you. Before inserting airbags, just check every clips are clearly placed over in the exact slot, and now I'm gonna pop back the airbags. Yeah, it's exactly placed. Wow, it looks crazy after the installation of audio controller of stereo and the PC controller here. Let's check whether it works or not. This is my Android system, so let's make sure that it's working or not. Mode is used to change the modes. Okay, yeah, it's working perfectly. This is radio, this is video, and this is audio. So we can see this. I'll raise the volume, it's increasing, and I'll decrease the volume, it's decreasing, and I'll change the song. See, we can change the song also, and I'll make it mute. Yeah, it's mute. It's perfectly working. And let's check whether our stereo is working perfectly, and let me check now here whether our PC is working or not. See, it's working perfectly. Yeah, so this is the process of installation of steering wheel, audio controller and PC controller. Guys, it's clear now. Everything is installed perfectly, and even the switches are working perfectly. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll be back with a very good vlog next. Thank you one and all. Stay safe, stay home.